Welcome to my channel. My name's Ashley. I love indie and affordable makeup, so if that's what you're into, go ahead, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So you guys, my birthday was like a week ago, so I went to TJ Maxx, picked up some cool products, 3 palettes, I think it's 3. I finally got a brush holder that I needed forever and a cute little cup. So if you know me, I love fall, I live for fall. All the fall things. Fall is when I thrive. It's when I feel the most connected to nature, when I can get out, because the Midwest summer is no joke. It's so hot you can't be outside. So even though it is still hot, this past week we have had like temps 100 degrees, heat indexes like 110, 115. It has been deathly, dangerously hot, but I am feeling all the fall vibes. So my little brush holder, how cute and adorable is she? Like, hello, gorgeous, love this. And then the cute, one of the cups I picked up, the other one is upstairs in my cupboard, but how cute is this? It just says stay wicked. It's got the little witch hat and the little broom. Just really, really cute. I absolutely adore this. And then for the palettes, they did have the Glamlight Barbie palette, which I've wanted for a while. Here it is. One of the shades was busted, but I'm like, you know, for that price discount, I can deal with a busted shade. So the busted shade was this one right here, but you guys, the rest of the palette is perfect. So, you know, had to pick that up. And then they had 2 of the Rude Cosmetics Flower Love palettes. I've never tried Rude Cosmetics. Okay, I just recently tried one of the palettes I picked up. But here's the first one. And here's the inside of this beautiful palette. This is the one that I have not tried yet. Just beautiful, beautiful palette. And then the other one, just trying to get this back in its little box, is the Flower Love Gardener palette. And this is the more fall type palette. Like it's given me all the fall vibes. And here is the inside of this gorgeous palette, which I was gonna use this one today, but then I'm like, should I use the Barbie palette? I don't know. Man, I don't know what to do, because that Barbie palette is gorgeous. Barbie is everywhere. You know what? We'll say Barbie for next weekend, and we're gonna go in with, this was my first thought, because I feel like it's gonna match my shirt better, which, if you can see, I've got skull on my shirt, of course, because you know that's how I am, that's how I roll. So let's go ahead and let's do the Flower Love Gardener palette by Rude Cosmetics. I have used this one before, just once. It's beautiful. I don't know, I just, like, the green tone shades, the browns, the blues, I don't know, they're calling to me. So let's just use this palette. Let's see what kind of a look we can come up with. Let's see how much trouble I had picking my brushes out now that I have an actual, like, little skull cup holder for them. Okay, so I think I want to start with this pretty green shade right here. And also, it's weird because it's cooler today, but it's super, super hot in my house. So I'm like, I can feel the sweat coming, but it's not as bad as it usually is. So hoping we'll be able to get through this, no problem. Like, it's cooler, but it's still humid. So I think that's what's getting me right now. And it rained like all day yesterday, so I couldn't get out, couldn't do anything. It was rough. It's like, that's how the weather is here. On the days that it's cooler and you can actually get out, if it's like during the summertime, it's going to be rainy, nasty, chance of severe storms. So you're just kind of SOL for, I always say it's at least 6 months of the year. That's why, like, September is almost here. I'm like, granted, it doesn't really cool off here until like mid to the end of October. I mean, but there should be some relief, you know. Hopefully around the end of September we should be able to get out of the 90s. on a more consistent basis, and then it slowly gets a little cooler as we go through October into November. And you guys, I talked about this yesterday in the video that I filmed. It was my take on the latte trend. And my blog is still doing well. I'm so excited about it. I just can't wait to get out and do more blogs. I'm really gonna try and focus on that as much as I can during the fall, because it's something that gets me out, gives me something to do, something that makes my soul happy, and I am just so excited. I just cannot wait to see where things go with it. So again, I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out. It's just I live in Illinois, so Southern Illinois, so like little local towns and their shops and things like that, and hopefully one day I'll get to expand out of Illinois in Missouri and kind of do some more smaller, somewhat local towns. But that's kind of what I'm focusing on now, and I don't know, I'm having a great time. I'm absolutely loving it. Alright, so now I want to go with this. What do I want to do? Let's think about this. I kind of want to go in with, let's do this deep dark green shade right here. I'm seeing a glitter and I'm like, do I want to do that? I might. We'll just see what happens here. Yeah, I am just feeling the heat right now, and before I got started, I thought it was a lot cooler, so I'm like, this could be great to film, but yeah, it's getting hot. You can see the sweat coming through on my face. I think I'm just going to gently put this shade down all the way over the lid. Just ever so slightly. So that way, if I do end up going in with that glitter shade, I'll have like a nice little base down. I hate when I'm trying to like get in my fall vibes and it's hot and I'm sweating. That's just total buzzkill right there. Like, can a girl get some, like, serious heat relief? Like, can we just get one day where it's, like, in the 70s here? Let me rephrase that. 70s, low humidity. Because I actually think it's probably, like, in the mid to high 70s right now. But it's feeling hot because of that humidity, so. Yeah. Like, can a girl just get a break? Alright, I'm not sure this is the best brush for what I'm trying to do. I mean, I love, like, this green look. Now I'm feeling, like, witchy, and I just kind of want to paint my whole face green. I'm not gonna do it, but if I had the time and I didn't have to go pick up groceries, like, I'd be a little tempted. Alright. Now, what am I gonna do with myself? Let's just slap on a little bit of glitter glue. We're coming to the point of no return here. and just go for it. We're just gonna be, it's gonna be glittery today. We're like tapping into our sparkle fall grungy witch vibes. Like we're going there. We're going there. So let's take this glitter right here, which is really, really pretty. Hopefully that brush is not in the way. I can't see what you're seeing. Okay, yeah. And we're just going for it. We're just gonna tap into this. Okay, this has a little bit of like a glittery base. Okay. Okay, that is fun. That is beautiful. I am absolutely loving that. Okay, so there we go. We did it. It's beautiful. I love it. Like, that is gorgeous. I'm getting a little bit of it a little too close to my eye, so I'm going to try and fix that a little bit. But no, that is fun. That is beautiful. Let's go ahead and get that other eye done. And again, I just got like a little bit on the brush as well. I love that this is totally not what I set out to do, but it's happening and I love it. Y'all know I love glitter. It caught my eye and I had to do it. I had to go for it. So, here we are. I do want to go in with that darker green shade and just kind of deepen up that outer green a little bit. Oh shoot, I totally just tapped into the wrong shade. Oh boy. Okay. All right, so, yeah. Happy glittery, witchy, grungy Sunday. Now I need to do that lower lash line, which, what do I want to do? That is the $1,000,000 question that I don't have the answer to. You know what? I'm wanting to keep with the grungy, greeny vibes. So let's first start out with, let's just start out with that dark green shade again in order to put that under the lash line. And then we're gonna smoke it out with the lighter green shade because we're just going for green today. I can see I've got glitter all over my face. It's okay. It's all good, you guys. Okay, now I need to find one of my smaller brushes so I can smudge that out. Okay. Now we're gonna go in with that pretty lighter green right here, and we're just gonna smudge that out. Alright, now I do want to go in with a little bit of a lower inner corner highlight. So we're going to take this shade right down here for that. Okay. So I'm gonna go do my mascara and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I am back. This is that finished look. And yeah, that glitter is just stunning. We just totally, I don't know, this look just took a turn. I wasn't planning on using one of the glitters, but it was just so pretty and I just felt like it was what this look needed. So I'm happy about it. I love it. I do have to say, I don't think you're supposed to put the glitters on your eyes, so like be careful. Do I do it? Yes. Are you really supposed to? I probably not, but it is what it is. So you guys, I actually have some glitter in my hair too, and it actually looks kind of cute. Might need to try that out one day. So this was the Flower Love Gardener palette by Rude Cosmetics. This is my second time trying this palette and the brand, and I am very pleased. Here is the inside of that beautiful palette. And again, just a beautiful, fun, screaming all the fall vibes that my soul needs. And yeah, that's it for today's look. Also, the lipstick. This is one of the Give Beauty, the Gwen Stefani brand lipsticks. This is the shade Rosewood Street that I'm wearing. And here's what that looks like. Also got this at TJ Maxx. I think it was like $8. $5.99 or $8. I don't remember. But either way, yeah, I've been loving TJ Maxx. That's where it's at. They've got the cutest fall stuff, home decor stuff. I love it. I'm ready for fall. So you guys, remember that you're loved. You're amazing. You can do all the hard things. Believe in yourself. Don't give up on your dreams and your goals. And just subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and please have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.